morning. It's Friday the 13th.
Morning.
We're here at the Twin Tanks hike in Joshua Tree Park. We're going to see what we find out here. We got to take off on a compass heading. Oh boy, feels a little muddy.
Yeah.
Well, it's still raining a little bit. We're pretty bundled up though, so it's not too bad. I think we're heading for that pile of white quartz that you can see right above Julie's head there. Well, we're getting closer to the pile of quartz that we were supposed to be bearing in on. Still raining. Well, there's the quartz up there. We're down the wash, obviously. Not exactly sure what we're looking for here. There's water running down here though. Well, this is one of the bonuses of a rainy day. We're going to get a little desert waterfall. This probably doesn't happen very often. Get some perspective on it. It's not real big, but boy, plenty of water if you're out dying of thirst out here and you got your filter. Lots of water today. This is looking down where we were before. The water is doing its eroding. You can just imagine if it was a little stronger how it would have made all these pockets in here. It's just a light rain today. Well, here's the dam, and there are some pools down here that look like they're a little more semi-permanent. Although the dam is holding nothing back today. I'm not exactly sure why it's there, but there's some other little pools here. That's looking back the way we came from. Well, here we are at the quartz pile.
Yay, we made it.
There's another dam of some sort down there with some other great big granite quartz chunks. I'm not sure if somebody rolled them down there or if nature did it on its own. A lot of quartz there though. You can see it all the way from the parking lot, so if you're trying to get to this area, that's what you look for. You might need some binoculars. I think I could see them with my naked eye though. So, oh, it's starting to snow. So I don't know what else there is around here. We could read the book, I guess. Still pretty wet. An occasional snowflake here and there, not too many though. Not quite warm enough to snow. Interesting area though. A lot of rock piles. Formations, I guess they are. Well, there's a little place of shelter, although it's a little bit too low to be under comfortably. So we'll move on and find another one.
Not very good.
Look at that line on that rock. Line it up. There it is. Kind of weird. Well, there's a little mini waterfall. The old desert she's a-flowing. Look at that go. Everything should be happy out here, the animals and the plants, and getting a little refreshment. Well, there's a pretty good little waterfall. About a 3-footer. Not a world's record, but for out here, that's pretty good. Look at it go. Well, there's another pretty nice waterfall. It kind of filters down through this area now, so that might be it for the waterfalls. little clump of barrel cacti are almost as red as your pack cover. Kind of an interesting area here. A lot of formations and boulders and dinosaur eggs or whatever they are. Well, we're back at the trailhead. It's still raining. We went out to the pile of quartz out there and saw the two dams. It was about 2.6 miles away we did it. I suppose it took a couple hours with all the fooling around. Saw some waterfalls. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it and happy hiking.